Slowly, slowly. Aha! Go around us, baby.
It's really hard.
I know. There you go. No wheelie?
Huh?
No wheelie, huh?
No, really. No.
Yes, look at this, look at this.
Oh my God.
Look at this. What is stupid fucking John Gates, man? You fucking kidding me? Look at this. Look, take a video. Take a video of this.
We saw it.
What is this?
I don't know, but can we go?
Turn off the car. Turn off the car. You have a big leak over there. Look at this. You have a big leak over there. You lost the truck. What happened to you? Don't be sorry. It's okay. But you okay? I'm okay, man. She's not. Just don't stop recording.
Yeah, I know, but I'm not sticking my arm out in traffic.
Are you okay, man? Can you stop it? Sis, are you okay? You need medical? Are you alright? You don't need medical? You okay, right? You lost control. Are you okay, bro? You have kids on the car. Just you guys will take care of it, right? I gotta go. Can I go there for 1 second? But I did see that happen. She just lost control completely from speeding. When did you see it? You almost hit me, by the way. Just be careful because you almost hit me. You're not looking.
Almost. No, almost.
We're recording this. We have this on video. We're still recording actually. Just be careful, guys. Be careful, okay? Don't drive if you don't know how. Like that's not normal. Anyway, just be careful. You gotta go somewhere, right? Don't worry. It's okay. Here's a good video. That's a good video.
Holy crap.
That's a really good video. People that have no idea what they're doing. Did you guys see that? Red light. Holy shit. Did you record the whole thing? Did you record the whole thing?
Just put the phone down.
I don't care. You hold it, not me. You hold it. Just like... I saw this on video. I got this on video, man. But people are so stupid. I can't believe I saw that live. You guys gotta be careful, man. Don't drive and don't know how.